Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my videos. So basically this channel is about technology, and this channel is about technology. You are able, if you want to learn about technology, if you want to gain your knowledge about technology, and if you have any creed to learn about technology, then this channel is absolutely for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. There are many features of bell icon. For example, if I have uploaded a new video, you are get notified and you're able to watch my videos, and the creed of getting knowledge about technology is fulfilled by my videos. So without wasting our time, let's get start our video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my videos, and the creative view is fulfilled by my videos. So as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am gonna tell you how you can upload your banner of YouTube. Most of the people does not know about banner. So first I am telling you about banner. So let's search on Google YouTube banner. Okay, banner. Basically the banners mean background, where the profile picture is uploaded. On the back side of the profile picture your banner will be uploaded. So you can see that there are some of the banners. For example, I like this banner and I will save it, but you can make it customly uh, from Canva. In upcoming videos I will tell you how you can make it. So for uploading banner, you should have a YouTube app. You will go on search your YouTube and simply download it from here. I have already installed it, and simply I will open it from my folder. I will click on YouTube, and you can see that YouTube interface seems like this. So I will open my channel. In previous video I have tell you how you can upload your profile picture. This picture I have uploaded. So I want to upload a banner. Let's see some YouTube's. Okay, awesome trips, and I will okay, 1.15k subs, and let's see. Okay, you can see that this is the banner of his channel, and this is the profile picture. He made customized uh, banner and profile picture. So I will tell you how you can make it, but in today's video I'm telling you how you can upload it. So simply, in previous video that how you upload profile, simply these options are helpless for uploading a banner on YouTube. This is also okay. More about channel is also. So simply we will click on this pen like option. It means channel setting. Here are many options. You can see that name, handle, URL, description, privacy, and etc. You can see that here in previous video I have changed my profile picture from there, and here is another option of banner. You can click on this camera icon and you will click on choose from photos, and I like this banner, but you can see that it is zoomed like that, but you have to scroll down it. Okay, it seems that on TV it will seem fully, in desktop it will seem like this, and all devices like mobiles and tabs it will seems like this. So simply we will I have to upload this, and I will your channel banner will look different across devices. The widest crop area will be used on desktop and TV. So let's click on save.